Here we go, talking about Welsh lamb again today, lamb cutlet Milanese. A rack of lamb, one of my favorite cut of the lamb. And what we're gonna do today, a very, very Italian dish. We're gonna do Welsh lamb cutlet Milanese style. First thing we do, we cut this beautiful Welsh lamb cutlet. Take this part as well out because it's a bit sinewy, it's where the nerve is, so it will shrink, so we don't want that, okay? Oven paper, or you can use your cling film if you want to. Just a little bit of water, just a tiny bit. So what we do, with a rolling pin, just flatten down a bit. Yeah? So what do you need? Something like this. Yeah? Okay. And now we carry on with the others. Still a bit of water. Cutlet is this, just for this side. One more time on this batter. Back here. And look at this. Yeah? So refreshing to do a lamb cutlet Milanese, you know? It's great for parties, for sharing. And now we give some lovely shape as well to it. What we're doing now is the potatoes, which we will cook them here. New potatoes, this one is the ratte. They're quite waxy and they go very well because this is one of the dish that you can also eat cold with tomato, rocket and some potatoes. So this potato will hold very, very well. But if no, you can use different potatoes if you want to, yeah? So make sure the oil is hot, but not too hot. We have the lovely roast golden color to them. Olive oil, it's beautiful. I mean, as you can see, I took the skin off, but you don't need to do that. You can just roast it because I like be more refined, the touch. Okay, some more rosemary here and there. Okay, and this one now, with a bit of salt, they're just gonna go to the oven, as simple as that. Ah, bellissime, look. That's the way you want your sautéed potatoes, the Italian style. So the temperature of the oil needs to be around 170, 175, okay? So you give a chance to the meat to cook, but not too much because we still want to see the meat pink all the way through. Out from the oil, along with the others. We'll let it rest for a couple of minutes, and we're gonna finish our dish. Gonna have this beautiful sautéed potatoes. That smells like Italy to me. Now, adding the pesto is the way we do. Just mix nicely. As I said, you will find the recipe of the pesto, okay? Or the rocket pesto, but you can try with basil pesto if you want to. Tiny bit of green pesto on top of each one. Finish with a bit of greens. Or you can use rocket leaves if you want to as well, okay? So finish the dish with a sprinkle of sea salt or rock salt. Okay, there we go. Welsh lamb chop, Milanese style. they look delicious. Enjoy.